Hello and welcome to BitBoy Crypto. I'm your host BitBoy. Today we are going to be looking at the Elix app. It's a brand new app. It just came out. We've discussed the cryptocurrency Elixir before on the channel. You can find it in our coin and token review playlist. So today we're going to be looking at the app, looking at the wallet that comes along with it, and just getting an overall feel as it just came out today. So before we go any further though, make sure you're a subscriber to our channel. If you are, you get the opportunity to not only be a part of the Bit Squad, but also to win $500 in Bitcoin. All you got to do is like this video, comment on this video, check the full description below for details. Okay guys, so I got this pulled up. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. So as you can see at the top, basically you have a couple of options. You have all projects, my pledges, and favorites. You can click on the top part and you can sort them. So honestly, I didn't know that this was part of this app. I guess it makes total sense. It's a decentralized lending platform. And so you can pick projects to lend to, but I didn't expect it to kind of be in this format. Almost kind of like GoFundMe, almost in a way, or Kickstarter or something like that is kind of how these come across. Because I was thinking just one person would have to donate or fund all of the project, but it's not actually true. So as you can see here, there's all kinds of different ones. There's the crypto hats, actual literal crypto kitties, which I think is hilarious. I've got to get one of these. On the floor, I don't know what this is. The Elixir paper plane. So there's not a ton on here right now. But this is very interesting. This first one, Carcali X Brooklyn pop-up, he's actually got a couple pledges. Join the Whales Club. So obviously I don't have any pledges, so nothing is going to show up here. And then same thing with favorites. Add some projects. Let's click on the little eye up here. Get started with Boost. Boost is a token crowdfunding platform for bringing projects to life. In a few minutes, create a project using our intuitive interface. Will approve projects and feature them on our platform for others to see. So I guess this is where you create a project that you want funded. This is going to the Elixir website. As you can see, apply to become an early creator on Boost and get up to 500 free Elixir or free Elix per project. So interesting. I might sign up for this. Maybe I'll come up with my own project, possibly. Okay, so let's go back here to all projects. Let's see, if you click the top part, we already looked at that. If we click the plus button, you go to the Boost, so we know everything that's up there. So as you can see here, it says create a wallet to pledge tokens. So let's go ahead and click get started. And let's go ahead and hit create wallet. So time to set up your wallet. We'll click. So these are my passphrases. I'm going to go ahead and jot these down real quick, and then I'll be right back, and we'll continue. This is not going to be the wallet I'm going to use. This will just be a dummy wallet, so feel free to hack into it, as always. Okay, so I've written my words down. Let me go ahead and click here. Do you need to back up? Yes, I have it saved. Okay, so that's all I had to do. It didn't ask me to verify or anything like that. So now I am in my wallet. I can send and receive Elix. Let's click this direct transfers. Nothing there. That's a list of transfers. Obviously, I haven't sent anything yet. So this would be where you have your active loans that you've requested. You've requested from others, fully paid loans, total portfolio value. Up here, you have some analytics. You can click on the top left, or this is your portfolio on the top left. You can store Ethereum on here, as well as Elix. So then we'll click up here in the top right hand corner, and this will show you your wallet address. Obviously the 24-hour change, nothing is going to be there because I don't have anything in the wallet currently. So let's click this button on the bottom right with the hand. Okay, this is where you can select recipients and keep your contacts, so that's pretty cool. All right, this is a pretty cool feature it's got, which is a chat feature on the wallet, which is pretty interesting. So this app is sick. What is Elix? How do you not know what this is if you download it? That's pretty interesting. So whoa, I'm back. So there hasn't been a ton of conversation on here. Poop emoji is all over this thing, so I don't know if he's an early adopter of Elix. But okay, so this is where you can type something. So we'll just say, what's up? What's up? Click the send. Huh. Now I see. It's because I didn't register my emoji. So, or my my username. So basically, it just sorts all these random names out here, like hot dog or poop emoji or something like that. So pretty interesting. Let's click on the activity, start using the app. We haven't had any activities yet. More, we've got contact us, follow us, feedback, support, terms of use, privacy policy, touch ID, enabled. I always cannot use fingerprint lock. Oh, okay. All right. So my iPhone isn't good enough. Gas price, and then remove wallet. So that's pretty much it. That's the whole Elix app. It just came out today. You can import a wallet if you need, if you've, want to. Let's say you get a new phone, you can do it that way instead of having to create a new one if you want to transfer what you already had. So yeah, I think this app is pretty smooth. Everything works pretty well, and excited to see where this project goes from here. And I like it. I like what Elix is doing a lot more, or what Elixir is doing a lot more than like what Salt is doing. Salt is one we've also looked at, but they have membership fees and all kinds of stuff. There's none of that with this app, so it's definitely pretty cool. I say download it, give it a try, and, if it's something you want to get into, then, make sure you're doing your own research. So, everybody, thanks for watching this review of the Elix app. Until next time, BitBoy out.